DeepComposer Studio will be the world's first machine learning-enabled musical keyboard according to Amazon. The keyboard features 32 keys and 2 octaves. Based on generative adversarial networks, DeepComposer Studio has been created because of GAN's ability to create something new opened the door for this product. This generative AI technique pits 2 different neural networks against each other to produce new and original digital works based on sample inputs. With Amazon DeepComposer, we can train and optimize GAN models to create original music. Open the console, we will go to the Music Studio, where we can either select a pre-recorded tune, or record one ourselves. We have selected Beethoven's Ode to Joy. We can select the pre-trained model which we want to use: classical, jazz, rock, or pop. These models have been trained on large music data sets for their respective genres. We will pick rock, and generate the composition. Amazon came up with Transcribe Medical will be biggest impact on people's lives soon. It allows doctors to easily transcribe patient conversations and add those interactions to someone's medical records with the help of software. It can be deployed across thousands of healthcare facilities to provide clinicians with secure note-taking abilities. It offers an API and can work with most microphone-equipped smart devices. The service is fully managed and sends back a stream of text in real time. For developers and data scientists using Kubernetes to train, tune, and can deploy machine learning (ML) models in Amazon SageMaker now. Amazon SageMaker operators for Kubernetes eliminate the need to manually manage and optimize your ML infrastructure in K8s and preserve control of your overall orchestration through K8s.
So soon we will see full-fledged AI musician, AI doctors widely. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe the channel for AI projects, products, codes and AI-related news.